So if you're under a lot of stress, definitely movement helps, but it has to be the right kind of movement. Too much might be a problem, and too little might be a problem as well. So healing effects of different programs, metabolism and more. We want to learn how to infuse energy into your life by prioritizing health in this order. This will speed up your metabolism, optimize your immune system, your cardiovascular system, your brain, gut, and musculoskeletal system. So number 1 through 4 is your restoration phase, and number 5 is stimulation phase. So when working with clients, I spend a lot of time on 1 through 4 to make sure that that's dialed in, because that sets them up for number 5, which is exercise. So sleep, quantity and quality, breathing, to make sure a lot of people, they don't breathe properly. They breathe with their chest and they breathe incredibly fast. If you're watching this, take 3 deep breaths and kind of calm you down, and it's so much easier to focus. Nutrition, quantity and quality. There's a lot that goes into a good nutrition program. Stress, we talked about that. And then the right type of exercise. So more is not better, better is better. And again, if you're not sleeping well and you're not your stress level is too high, exercise is not going to be a good fit for you if it's high intensity. So it has to be the right intensity, and then you have to work on some of the restoration phase to make sure that you're feeling good to exercise more intense. So this is more philosophical, but I believe energy is the currency of life, not money. So this would be your new philosophy. So energy is the currency of life. And what do I mean when I say that? The more energy you have, the more money you make, this kind of flow state or timelessness. The more energy you have, the better your social and family life is, more service to others type of life theme. The more energy you have, the stronger your immune, hormonal, neurotransmitter system. So it's almost like having superpowers. You just feel great. The more energy you have, the more productive you are, or like in the zone. The more energy you have, the leaner and fitter you are. So body sculpting or toning or shaping, it's not that hard when you're feeling great. And of course, the more energy you have, the more life experience you have. So that's kind of that bliss or joy. So master your body, master your energy. So it's a philosophy. Hello, friends. Are you looking to get fit and live your best life? Our online holistic health coaching program is here for you. With our program, you'll get customized meal plans that tell you what to eat and avoid, smart nutrition tracking to keep you motivated, insights into medicinal foods that support weight management, effective exercises tailored for your goals, proven motivational techniques to help you overcome obstacles, and much more. Visit ShawnPhillipstraining.com and start your transformation today.